Hello, thank you for watching this guidance interview walkthrough. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how you can create and manage appointment schedule templates. To start, sign into your guidance interview account. Then click the My Appointments link on the navigation bar. Then click the Add Openings button. Then click the small Manage Templates link. Okay, so now you're on the template building page. So we can add a new template at the top here. And if you scroll down, there should be a list of all the existing templates for all the staff in your guidance department. So let's start by making a new template. So create a name for your new template here. So I'm just going to make one called 2022 Virtual 20 Minutes. Then select yourself from this staff drop-down menu and click Add Template. Now that the template's been added, you can select it from the drop-down menu here. And this will let you add times to the template. So let's say there's going to be, for this template, some morning appointments between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. in 20-minute intervals. I'm going to choose, because this template is for virtual appointments, I'll select virtual from the appointment type list, and I will click Add Times. So now, if I scroll down to the existing templates, I now have the 2022 virtual 20-minute template from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning in 20 minutes. It may be possible that you need a template that has both morning and afternoon appointments. So you can add to the template that already exists by selecting it from this menu and then adding the appointment times. So let's say 1 in the afternoon to 2 in the afternoon, still 20-minute lengths, virtual only. Click Add Times. So now our 2022 virtual 20-minute template has both 9 to 10 a.m. Appointment slots and 1 to 2 appointment slots. So perhaps you've made an error and you want to change a template, or instead of creating this new template, maybe you wanted to just modify another existing template. You can use these delete time slot links to remove the time slots from an individual template. So let's say that the 9 to 10 no longer is what we want on the template. We want 10 to 11. You just click delete time slots, go back and select the template, and let's put in the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. 20 minutes, and I'm going to choose virtual again, add. So if we go back to our existing template for 2022 virtual 20 minute, it's now 10 to 11 and 1 to 2 p.m. Thank you for watching this guidance interview walkthrough. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact your guidance interview support team member for help.